Are you looking for the best sawhorses in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best sawhorses that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the ToughBuilt heavy-duty folding sawhorses. ToughBuilt's heavy-duty sawhorses are long-time favorites with contractors and DIYers, and for good reason. They combine stability, durability, and portability in a way that's hard to beat. It takes a lot to impress us, but these sawhorses did exactly that. The sawhorses have folding legs that stow neatly into their crossbars for easy storage and portability. We like the straps on the tops of each, which made carrying them easy. The legs were easy to unfold, and once set up, they were very sturdy. The ToughBuilt doesn't come with grooves on the sides that hold 2x lumber, but we didn't miss them. The top of the crossbar is covered with a non-slip surface that held our material in place while cutting and sanding. The working height is 28.54 inches, which is slightly lower than most competing models, but we found that it made it easier to complete some of our tests, since we had more leverage over the power tools we were using. If you're looking for an excellent set of sawhorses for everyday projects, you won't go wrong with ToughBuilt. Up next in the 4th place is the Bora Portamate Speedhorse Sawhorse pair. Need a fast setup? Look no further than Bora's Portamate Speedhorse. We got a kick out of being able to press a lever in the handle of the sawhorse and watch the folded legs drop into place. From there, it was effortless to lock the leg supports with a quick tap of a foot. Voila, instant sawhorse. A set of Bora Portamate Speedhorses can support up to 1,800 pounds, which is more than most users will ever need. Our favorite perk was the ability to transform the sawhorses into a real working surface by using 2x lumber that fits in the grooves on each end, and then placing a panel on top. Each of the crossbars comes with pre-drilled holes, and those can be used to attach a 2x board between the grooves for an even more stable work surface. At 17.19 pounds, the Speedhorse is a bit heavier than some competing models. However, once set up, a pair of these sawhorses is very stable, and we wouldn't hesitate to use them to create a miter saw table or to support other types of saws. The 3rd product on our list is the Wen Folding Steel Sawhorse with 24 support. If you tackle a wide range of projects, DIY or pro, you may want to consider these Wen sawhorses, which can be adjusted as low as 24 inches or as high as 32. It took us a few minutes to get the hang of using the spring-loaded pins for adjusting the legs, but once we did, it became intuitive. The 2x grooves on each end of the sawhorse are deep enough to hold entire 2x4s, so there's no need to screw down an additional board along the top of the crossbars, as is needed with the Bora Speedhorse. That's a very handy setup, and one we wish all sawhorse manufacturers would copy. The crossbar's surface is non-slip and offers good traction for any width or length of material for cutting or sanding. The one issue we had, and it's just a minor one, was that we had to pry pretty hard to get the folded legs out of the crossbar where they are stored. We hope this will loosen up with repeated opening and closing, but throughout our testing, it remained pretty tight. Overall, it's a very durable folding leg sawhorse that is a good option for different types of projects. 2nd on our list is the Worx Pegasus Folding Work Table and Sawhorse. Talk about a workhorse. Worx's ingenious design makes it the best sawhorse workbench combination we tested. The sawhorses support up to 1,000 pounds and feature a work table top that supports up to 300 pounds. Just flip the 32-inch high tabletop up for use and fold it down when you want to use the sawhorse. We didn't have a second Pegasus to use, but we did have another smaller Worx table that we linked with this one. The fact that the tables stayed securely together allowed us to work more confidently. made of heavy-duty plastic with a lightweight aluminum frame. This sturdy, durable tool provides everything needed for a simple garage workbench. It includes 4 clamp dogs and 2 quick clamps, and has a handy little shelf for small tools. The whole thing folds up for easy storage or transport. There's one area where we felt slightly frustrated by the design. We don't always need the squeeze clamps, and sometimes they pop off during setup. We think the issue could be solved using a small swivel to hold the clamps in place better. But overall, the Worx Pegasus is very well designed. Switching from a sturdy Sawhorse to a convenient work table within just a few seconds makes it incredibly convenient. Finally, the top product on our list is the Rockwell JawHorse Sheetmaster Portable Workstation. Rockwell's JawHorse Sheetmaster Portable Workstation takes traditional Sawhorses to the next level, and we're all for that. A beast capable of clamping a full 4 by 8 foot sheet of plywood securely in place. It also holds onto unwieldy, oddly shaped objects like bicycles or furniture. At 38 pounds, this one is heavier than some we tested, but we like that it comes with wheels for tipping up and rolling, making it a good portable Sawhorse. With 10 times the clamping power of a regular vise, a 34-inch high work surface, and a 600-pound weight capacity, the steel construction JawHorse makes for a brawny, capable, and reliable assistant like an extra pair of hands, but better. While this isn't going to be suitable for all traditional Sawhorse uses, we would recommend it for someone who wants to secure their material with the JawHorse's strong clamping action. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.